everyone, my name is Konatsu Okita. I'm originally from Kyoto, Japan, and I'm studying psychology here at Cañada College. I have been working as a student ambassador at the Cultural Center for over a year, and I decided to apply for this position because I have a passion for learning about different cultures, and I wanted to connect with a diverse group of people because when I was in Japan, I didn't have many opportunities to learn about cultures other than Japan. So I wanted to expand my perspectives through working at the Cultural Center. My goal is to transfer to a four-year university in next fall, and I'm hoping to deepen my study in psychology and to do more research in psychology from health and nutrition perspectives. What I appreciate most about this job is the opportunities to interact with people who have different background and interests, which gives me new ideas, experiences, and perspectives. As a student ambassador at the Cultural Center, I support to organize many cultural events, workshops, and discussions. And our team celebrated Filipinx American History Month, and also we held Diwali in October. And as an international student from Japan, I also held a Japanese New Year's event, a Japanese Noon festivals, and a matcha and mindfulness events. My top 3 tips for international students who want to study in the United States. First of all, we try to participate and get involved in many events, workshops, programs, and clubs because I believe it will not only help you get to know people, but also help you adapt to the new culture and improve your English skills. My second tip is please take advantage of school resources because there are so many good resources here at Cañada College. For example, there is a place called Spark Point where a student can get free vegetables, fruits, and milk. My last tip is please don't hesitate to ask questions because people here at Cañada College are very supportive and willing to help each other. I would strongly recommend Cañada College because I love the campus, I love the nature, and also I love the small community at Cañada College. As an international student, I found it very helpful because I can easily reach out to professors and staff for help.